The truth is, you cannot think your way out of the mind. You cannot just do mindset work in the mind. Because then you would be taking the thing that you're trying to solve and using it to try to solve itself. The way to truly get out of the mind, the way to anchor into your truth is in your body. Because your body knows. Once you have an experience, it is encoded in your body. The mind is going to try to create the meanings. The mind is going to try to figure things out, but your body knows. And so that's why when you are trying to think your way out of everything, when you're trying to think your way out of the thoughts that you're having, when you're trying to think your way out of the beliefs that you're having, you're going to find yourself stuck in this loop, endless loop of thinking. Why can't I think my way out? Why can't I think my way out? Instead of trying to think your way out, what if you tried to feel your way through? What if you tried to drop into your body instead of trying to run away from your thoughts, run away from those emotions? What if you just gave yourself the full permission to feel it, to be with it? Instead of resisting it, what if you welcomed it with open arms? That is not to say that you identify who you are with those thoughts. That is not to say that you identify who you are with those emotions. But you open your arms up and you say, come here, let me feel you. Let me experience you through my body. Let me anchor in what is actually true for me instead. Because truly it is through that process of dropping from your mind into your body, and this continuous process of dropping from your mind into your body over and over and over again, that you can start to transcend your mind's limits, because you're no longer just using your mind against itself. That is where the power lies. And so often we have been so disconnected from our bodies. We think that manifestation is all about thinking your reality into existence. Yes, the thoughts, the beliefs, the identity, it's part of it. But an even bigger part of it is who you are being in your body, is how you are feeling, and what you know to be true. So instead of just trying to think your way out of everything, instead of trying to think the things you want into existence, feel your way through it. Allow yourself to experience it in your body. Because when you experience the truth of who you are and what you are truly capable of in your being, it is recorded in your cells. And there is nothing your mind can say to convince you out of that knowing.